In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads with Nordvpn, Nordvpn's threat protection. If you're tired of being interrupted by pesky ads while browsing, or want to enhance your online security, this guide will walk you through how to set up Nordvpn to seamlessly block ads and trackers for a smoother internet experience. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is download and install the Nordvpn app. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, you'll find that it's a straightforward process. Simply head over to the Nordvpn website and follow their instructions to download and install the app suited for your operating system. Once installed, go ahead and launch the app. Next, you'll need to log into your Nordvpn account. If you already have an account, simply input your credentials and log in. In case you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account on the Nordvpn website before proceeding with this step. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the app and locate the shield icon. This icon will lead you to the threat protection settings, which is what we're looking for. Simply click on the shield icon and you'll be swiftly taken to the threat protection section. This is where the magic happens and you'll soon have those annoying ads under control. The next step is to find the ad and tracker blocker option within the settings. This feature is specifically designed to keep unwanted ads and trackers at bay. Click on this option and you'll be presented with a simple interface that allows you to toggle the blocker on or off. To activate it, simply click on the Turn On button. This action transforms your web browsing experience by turning the ad and tracker blocker on, working diligently behind the scenes. With this one-click activation, the tool is now equipped to perform an array of protective tasks for you. Once the blocker is enabled, it will automatically swing into action. It's not just about blocking ads, it will also stop trackers from following your online activities, prevent access to malicious websites, and even scan your downloads for malware. What's remarkable is that all of this happens automatically, seamlessly protecting you as you browse. And that's it. You've now successfully set up NordVPN's threat protection to block ads. Enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more streamlined online experience. Remember, with NordVPN's threat protection, you're not only enhancing your web browsing, but also fortifying your digital security. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you regain a peaceful and ad-free online journey. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy browsing.